So if you see here, you'll quickly see that India is soon going to be the world's third largest economy. And how does that look like in terms of numbers? So in terms of the macro momentum that we look here, the current number that we see on the left side, that's essentially the current GDP, which is 4.3 trillion US dollar, which will move to $7.3 trillion by the year 2030. And what are the areas that we're looking at in terms of feeders for this momentum? Essentially, there's been a growth of 7.8% in terms of real GDP for the first quarter in the financial year 26. The next we see is the 76% growth in the export number. And finally, the FDI inflows. So FDI being one of the strongest proponents in terms of bringing the foreign direct investment into the country, we've seen a record number of 80 billion plus annually year on year. The next that you see essentially is the India's economic ascent, and all of this is actually architected, nothing is accidental. What essentially that means is that there is a uniform diligence in terms of reforms, a disciplined policy, reform on reform that's been coming up in terms of ease of doing business, a strong determination by the 1.4 billion people of the Indian economy. So the slide here that you see is essentially a compelling story of India. So the people of India is what represents us. That's the most unique and diverse set of people you'll be able to find as a customer base anywhere across. So if you see, that's essentially the wealth creation story for India in terms of what the 1.4 billion people represent and the 1.4 billion reasons to invest into the country. So that's essentially a pyramid that you see with segmented class in terms of what the people look like in terms of income, what's the customer base, what's the opportunity that's lying, and what's the segment that we're talking about. So on the left, you see that's essentially the economic strata or the segment or the customer base that represents India. That's been segmented A into the ultra premium opportunity that lies on the right side. If you see, that's essentially 35 million people we're talking about. So luxury real estate and mega infrastructure projects is what we're talking and seeking in terms of opportunity for the top of the pyramid. Once we move down, that's essentially the premium market that we're looking at. Close to 140 million people lie in there. And that's one of the unique and the diverse pool that you'll ever find anywhere across the world. Again, all of this is attracted through the ease of doing business.